This is Ernie.
Hiya!
He's a Queensland fruit fly, and he's here to wreck your garden.
Ernie, the Queensland fruit fly. He's coming down south with a big surprise. He's a hungry little chugger, she's a fruit hugger, and you're gonna want them to die in just no time. Them babies grown, they're ready to breed, and they're ready to roam. He's a tiny little guy with big brown eyes and a chip on his yellow shoulder. Let's give him the boot now, set the traps and bring him in. Cause he's a hungry little chugger, she's a fruit hugger, and we're all gonna do him in.
What's Ernie up to today? I think Ernie's looking for some female company.
Yeah!
He wants to find a lady fly to settle down with and start a family. Then they'll find some fruit in your garden and lay their maggots in it. And once they've done that, you can kiss goodbye to all your hard work in the garden or on the farm. So if you want to stop Ernie from destroying your beautiful fruits, then you're going to need to take action. Using some simple techniques, you can find out if you have a fruit fly problem. And with a combination of the right amount of pruning, traps, good garden hygiene, exclusion with netting, and using best practice in your garden, you can lessen the impact of this pest in our region and enjoy more of the fruits of your labour. Regular pruning will help manage Queensland fruit fly numbers in your garden. Not only does it improve fruit production and make harvesting fruits easier, but it also makes it easier to use other fruit fly control methods, such as trapping, exclusion, and good hygiene. By pruning your trees, it'll be easier to harvest your fruit, easier to remove unwanted fruit before it ripens, easier to net your trees, easier to spot and dispose of infested fruit, and generally improve the fruit production of your trees. Growing espaliered or dwarf varieties is a great way to manage tree size and fruit production. Or if you're unable to manage your trees, then you can always remove them altogether. For more information on how to manage Queensland fruit fly numbers in your garden, go to preventfruitfly.com.au or ask for advice at your local garden centre. And together, we can help prevent the spread of Queensland fruit fly across our region. Look, here comes Ernie now. He's looking for somewhere to settle down and start his family. I'm sorry, Ernie, there's no suitable fruit for you and your family here. You'd best keep moving. Yes, that's it. Off you go. There's nothing for you here. Ha! His days of spoiling fruit are over. He won't be ruining the hard work of local fruit growers and gardeners anymore. At least, not for now. If you want more information on how to manage Queensland fruit fly numbers in your garden, there's loads of helpful advice at the Agriculture Victoria site.